Goddamn photocopier print already.
Suck, Gerald, your nose looks like a penis.
Oh hi Jacob, thanks for that. How's your day going?
First of all, we have been at work for 5 minutes. At second of all, your nose looks like a penis.
You already said that, you jerk.
Your nose looks like a penis and you need to take your nose to the Biggest Loser cause it's fat.
Shut up or I will stab you with a pen in the elbow.
Oh no, not my elbow, I need a restraining order now, help.
That want the best comeback in gonna shave my pubes now, see ya.
You shave your pubes, ha 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 ha. I'm telling everyone on Facebook now.